Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off color filter in Samsung Galaxy S22. So, as you can see, we have our blue color filter turned on. How to go back to default, how to turn it off. We need to go to settings, then in the accessibility menu we have visibility enhancements, and in here we have color filter. As you can see, we have cyan 20%. So when we open this menu, we can change the color filter if we want to. We can also change opacity of this filter, and of course we can turn it off. And that was our target. So that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.